Plot styles. Typically at this point, the object properties control the appearance on the screen. And by default, what's on the screen is what plots. So for example, if you drew an object on a layer that was red and had a continuous line type and a 0.60 millimeter line weight, it displayed that way on the screen and it plotted that way. And so therefore, what you see is what you get. So object properties method is one method of plotting, but it has a little problem with that because we don't always want to plot to red even though we drew it red on the screen. Also, if we were to plot it as red and we plot it to the black and white printer, some colors don't print very well. So to define an object to plot it differently than what shows up on the screen, we need what's called plot styles. And for that, then, we could plot all objects black, for example, to be dark. But we're still color on the screen, so it could be red on the screen, but we print it as black. So we can still design in colors, so it's easy for our eyes to see, but we can plot it as black and white. We can also do the same thing as to make all our objects shades of gray instead of color. So we get different shades, not just black and white. We can have 16 or 255 shades of gray so that we can display them on the screen. And we can also have many other kinds of scenarios. But the idea is we can have things drawn on the screen as one color, and we can plot it in a totally different method other than what's on the screen. And to do that, we use what's called plot styles, and we assign them to the object.